Guys, Lakers 1999 on YouTube. Back with the Palma profile, and we are going to finish the Lone Wolf House where we last left off. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up selling the classic bed. I like that bed, but same with some of that furniture, just some of this antique furniture, but here's the problem with it. For this space, it doesn't help. Yeah, I'm gonna sell that too. Even though I like that TV. Ha! I like that. Where's my hand? Actually, no. Oh, yeah, that's right. No! But yep. This is how I'm setting up the bedroom. Basically, wow, we're up to 28 gold. Nice. Only if this was really that easy in real life. This place is not ready. This place needs a makeover. So, this is the kitchen currently. Oh, yeah, I hate these clocks. I'm getting rid of it. Hmm. It makes the room a lot brighter. So, I know that trick. But yeah, I think this kitchen's looking very sharp. I mean, I did 2 axis walls. I got. Oh, say goodbye to you, European outlet. We want America. Same with you, European stupid light switch, and the game calls it classic. That's not a classic light switch at all. That's a modern light switch. I mean, look at that. Now let's go around playing with the kitchen. I say, I mean, I could go with basic kitchen. Well, here's the planning of the kitchen. I just got to work on it. Yes, I went with the more modern style refrigerator. I know I hate these, but I'm trying to see if I can get to see if putting that instead of having the old one, which I like better, actually makes the value go up. What? It's only worth 42,000. Come on. I mean, I know it's a basic kitchen, but come on. I mean, that's still. Well, so this is the kitchen. Pretty good in my opinion. Even though it's the basics, but I'd better have the basics than have nothing. Well, I hope you enjoyed that part of me actually renovating the kitchen. We'll see you all in the next one.